Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lindy, and this is lindiorslife. Thank you so much for watching, coming back, seeing your girl, all of that. Okay. Oh, I like that. I like what I just said. Okay, I'm gonna have to write it down. But yeah, thank you so much for coming back to my channel today. As you saw by the title, this is a knotless soft lock faux lock tutorial. So it's my first time trying it this way. I saw there was 2 videos on YouTube that I saw people doing it this way, and I will link them down below because I do not remember their names. But if you look up knotless faux locks or knotless soft locks, you probably gonna see the same 2 girls I'm talking about. But they were the ones who really put me on to the knotless faux locks, because if you know me personally, you know this is really my favorite hairstyle on me. Like I love locks on me. I'm not prepared to lock my hair yet, so this is what it's gonna give. But yeah, so this is me just putting my 2 cents in and showing y'all how to do the knotless faux locks or knotless soft locks. Honestly, it's kind of the same technique. You just put the faux lock in your hair lower. Like you don't put it at the root, you put it in a little lower and you just wrap down, so it gives that like flat, it gives the flatness to it, and you can move it around. It's honestly great. So yeah, let me just show you the things that I use and tell you how many packs, and then we're gonna get right into it so you can really get into it. Okay, so alright, so the hair that I use is the Bobbi Boss, oops, let's get new lock. Yeah, the Bobbi Boss new lock in 24. This is the 2 times pack, so I guess you get double the amount. I really only use 3 of these packs, so just so you know, I use 3 and my hair is very full. So yeah, I use 3 of those, and then and then to wrap the top of my hair over the lock, I use this x-pression twisted up water wave fro twist 22-inch hair, and this also came in like a 2-time pack, so it was double the amount, and all this is in 1B. So this is what it looks like. See, yeah. So that is the stuff that I use, and obviously, you know, if you know, you know. The Shine and Jam, of course, is what I really got the parts together with and all that stuff, and then a crochet needle. That's what you need. So those are all the things you need for this style. Oh, for the twisting hair that I was talking about, I use 3 packs of that. So 3 packs of that, and then 3 packs of the Bobbi Boss locks, and girl, that's all you need, unless you want a super full look. But I try to not put as much locks as I usually do in my hair, and it's still very full. So unless you want a super full look, 3 packs of the Bobbi Boss and 3 packs of the twisted hair, that's all you need, baby. That's about $50, period. So yeah, if you want to see how I got it done, how I got this knotless soft lock look, stay tuned, keep watching, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, all that. So bye. I mean, not bye. See you later.
Okay, y'all, here we go. So first, I'm showing you not putting the crochet needle at the top. You're putting it down a little further down your braid. Obviously, you have to braid your hair first. Sorry to show that, but yeah. So you put the crochet needle further down the braid, and then that's where you insert the lock, and you just loop it around itself and tie a knot. So just like that, you have a little bit of space at the top, and then you have your lock and your braid. So then you take the curly hair and come from the root and you wrap. I wrap backwards, but I don't think it matters. You can wrap backwards or forward, kind of up to you, but it works better for me to wrap backwards. So I wrap like 2-3 times at the root, and then I start coming down the braid or whatever. And now I'm about at where the lock starts, and you just got to keep wrapping, keep it tight, make sure it's covering that little knot or whatever, which it won't end up looking like a knot, but you get the vibes. You got to cover it right, and you just keep wrapping And I think I do show you how you you know, end it or whatever. But yeah, that's how you keep wrapping. And if you need extra hair, you literally could just add hair and just keep wrapping, child. You see how there's like an end? That's still my hair out, so I have to keep wrapping and get extra hair. Okay, as you keep wrapping, once you get to the end of the curly hair, then you kind of just like, you know, you want to wrap it tight, and then you can kind of see here how I'm like just rubbing it in between my hands. It kind of just seals it and makes it stay. But if you want it to stay even tighter, you can use nail glue, like you know, like regular nail glue. And once you get to the end, just drop one little dot and then rub it together, and it stays. Not really locks it in, but it'll stay if you just rub it between your hands. And I think I showed that again later on, but you know, just to tell you now. Okay, so here's me showing you how I ended the lock. So, you know, wrap as tight as I can, and I take that end and I throw it between my hands. And if you do it well enough, it'll stay. But like I said, if you want an even tighter, better hold, you can drop one little dot of nail glue at the end, sew it together, and it's gonna stay for as long as you have it.
Y'all, here is the final look. I am back giving you my final look, final thoughts. Obviously I love them. The knotless look just makes everything so flat and easy to move around as soon as you do it. Like, I just finished it, and like, look at this. I could go over here with it, and it's like it doesn't hurt. So it's a little tight still, but it doesn't hurt the way, you know, like if you know, you know. If you get regular lots, then a couple days. You need a couple days. But these are good. Okay, so let me just show y'all how far they go. So here they are on my waist. I got the 24 and I am I'm 5'2", so just so you know, that's the vibes. And yeah, I really love them. I probably didn't keep them in for about a month, but yeah, I am obsessed. Let me show you. This is what they look like. Just like super natural, like kind of giving growing out my scalp, but like I said, if you know, you know. Well, yeah, this is my final look. Thank you all so much for watching. Let me know down below how you feel about it. Do you like the knotless look? Do you like the regular look? Just let me know. And yeah, let me know if this tutorial was actually like helpful. I tried to make it as helpful as possible, give y'all good close-ups and whatever the case may be. So let me know if it was helpful and if you like the look and, you know, all the things, you know what I mean? Oh, also let me know down below if you want to see some like styling videos, because I do really enjoy those kind of videos. I might do a couple of them for y'all. Hold on, let me get it to my liking. Yeah, so just let me know. And like I said before, thank you all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the comments, down in the DMs. Let me know all the tea about how you feel about this look. So bye.